Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on the application of REDnote. You will click on settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will scrolling down until you find your application of REDnote. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. After that you will go to this application of Play Store, or you will go to Play Store as you see. Here you will search about REDnote app. It is here as you see. We click and then you will click on update to update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.